Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be sorting out my inventory like this thing. I don't even know how I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to do it by like saddle pad type. Okay, so I'm going to do colors actually. So gray, pink, black, blue, white.
Right, so I'm going to do stuff.
Okay.
You need to get the balls to
So I'm gonna start with the purple, and I might have to do a part 2 to this, even though this is not really entertaining. I'm just bored, and I kind of want to do like sort out my inventory just because it's a mess. Okay. But I'm gonna do so I've done the purple. Now I'm gonna do the brown. So I'm gonna move everything. So I think that's brown done. This is red almost, so I guess we're gonna put this, we're gonna do our own red. Then let's go for white. I accidentally got 2 of these, but it's for free, so you know it's fine. Fine. So next we're gonna do the grayish kind of color. I did buy some new saddle pads. I bought 3 new saddle pads. So I'm really happy about that. So I'm gonna do pinks now. Then blacks. Then blue. I have a lot of blues. I also have a green. I'll put green like here. I'll put green here. So I'm gonna pull out my inventory. So this is my saddle bit. I need to move everything out the way, so yeah. Okay, so now that that's done, I can do the bridles. I'm gonna do pink first, so I'm just gonna, I actually did move all of this out the way, but I'm gonna move it over here just so that it's a bit easier to sort it out, because I do have quite a lot of pink bridles. I don't even know how many I have. I probably have like, I'm guessing like 6. Actually, never mind, I only have 2. Yeah. So next color, I'm gonna do brown. Actually, no. Let's do purple, because, this is purple, so it's from the Halloween update if you want to get it, and the Halloween update is currently gone, so, well, until next year, which is a long way away. It's not a long way away till next year, but I would count this as, okay, it's purple. It's purple. It's not a long way until next year, but it's a long way until next Halloween, so that's when you can get it. So, sorry if you didn't get it. I also got another bridle from the Halloween update. I don't even know where it is, but it's somewhere. Okay, next color is blue. This is not blue. I have a lot of blue stuff. I have like 15 things of blue bridles, or like, I just have a lot of blue things, because I don't even know why I have so many blue things, but I do, so, nothing to, I also use photos to edit my videos. That's only sometimes. Oh my gosh, my sister's singing in the background. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna do white next, and I'm gonna do black. I think that's it for white. I have no clue. Okay, yeah, so let's do black. I have quite a lot of black bridles. I don't even know how many I have, but it's okay. Yeah, this is black. Black. And I don't really know how many, I think I have the most things brown, because I have so many brown things. So, yes. And in the next video, I'll be that really hurt. I'll be rating my bridles. And then in the video after that, I'll be rating saddles, then saddle pads. So, yes. Next thing I'm gonna do is the saddles. I don't even know how many saddles I have. I probably have like 20,000. I'm just kidding. I don't have 20,000 because otherwise it'd take up like at least like 14 rooms of, you know, like 14 bits of the closet. So I have the saddles here, and this is where I'm going to be putting the saddles. But I need to get all the saddles first. Okay, there's 2 saddles here. I'm going to sort them out in color, just that it's easier, and then I won't actually have to sort them out. Actually, and if you guys want to, can you please put some assumptions that you think that's true or false about me? Like things that you think is true about me. So like, not like, for example, you love animals and stuff like that, if you know what I mean. Because that'd be really fun for a training time, but I wouldn't be able to screenshot them because I don't know how to do that. But I'll probably just read them out on my phone. Okay, I have nothing else, so I have to move all this first. So I'm also gonna put the leg wraps in with the bows because they're accessories. So yeah. I also got a gold medal, but I have no clue where that actually is. Because there's this one time, it was like 5 in the morning, and I was up and I couldn't go back to sleep. And a championship started. I don't even know how it started so early, but it started and I won. Because there was no one else online. So we're going to go ahead and start with purple. Then we're going to do black. Then we're going to do pink. So let's start with purple. Okay, these are the only 2 things of purple that I actually have. So next we have black. And I think black is the thing that I have the most of. So also this saddle is, and don't question why I have like noob saddles or like old saddles that were out like ages ago. I just, you know, I was, when I was a noob, I used to think that buying lots of stuff was cool. Because, like, I thought I'd be like, oh my gosh, I'm so rich with tack and everything. But, yeah. I was a very big noob when I was a noob. So, like, I was, like, the biggest noob ever. I found the, like, first couple races that you had to do. I found them, like, they were, like, the hardest thing ever for me. It's because I was, like, I don't even know. I was about, like, 5 when I started Star Stable, or, like, 2. No, not 2. I think I was 4 when I started, but, you know, I was really young, because I used to watch Honey Heartsy, like, all the time. I still watch it sometimes, but I mostly watch, like, Just Another Pixel, Haley Can Hope, and, you know, Violet Flower Garden. Oh my god, I love Violet Flower Garden so much. But anyways, let's do the accessories next. Oh my gosh, I've been filming for 8 minutes. Oh my gosh, I didn't actually realize that. Wait, what color is this? This is blue. No, it's silver. So let's put that in the gray aisle. Wait, silver sapphire. Okay, it's blue then. Oh my gosh. Wait, these aren't accessories. These are like saddle bags. I'm not putting the saddlebags in just because I don't really, you know. But this is taking ages to do, like, oh my gosh. Since when did it take ages to do just one thing? Okay, and by the way, if you didn't know who I'm riding right now, I'm actually riding Ruby. And Ruby is currently level 4, but I'm going to do a training time with her soon. So, yeah. I actually don't know what I want to do for the next training time. Should I continue with stories? I don't know. So, is there any more accessories? Yes, there's an accessory over here. I'm looking for blue accessories, so, like, if I skip any other accessories, I'm sorry. So next accessories I'm gonna do like black and stuff. But guys, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and see you in my next video. Bye!